nung panahon mo, panahon natin, because I was there during your time, was it easier? I mean, in the context of how Jada is doing it today?
Like what Jada said, today, it's different time. Ang bilis ng turnover.
Correct.
Madaling sumikat, but to stay in that level
Longevity.
or the longevity na mahirap ngayon. Kasi ang bilis nga ng, ng tao. Sa amin noon, hindi ilan lang ang platforms noon eh. Di ba? Wala namang. There's only TV, radyo, comics, di ba? So, when you go through that, mas madali in that sense. Because pag pumasok ka na sa radyo, pumasok ka sa TV, makita ka na, everybody's tuned in there. Now, ang daming pwedeng puntahan ng tao. So, pwedeng sikat ka sa isang grupo, pero hindi ka kilala ng isang group of ng society. And that's always the case. Sometimes,
Pero,
may 20 million na tong tao na to, pero sino yan? No.
Pero mas mahirap also in a way during the time because if you didn't make it, ang hirap makabalik.
Oh, that's also
As
true.
opposed to today, if you miss it, you can try again.
Oh, that's
Pero
true.
noong panahon natin, you go for a hit, and if you lost the chance, you go for it again, but it would take a long, long time. Let's do a very fast talk. Okay, Dong. King or Prince?
That's a king.
All is pogi, all is cute.
All is cute.
25, 20 mil.
Depende. 25 mil, depende.
Oo, hindi. Tatakbo ulit sa politika.
I'm always open to that.
Oo, hindi. Under kay Jessa.
Hindi.
Takot kay mami o takot kay daddy, Jada?
Takot kay daddy.
Mana kay mami o mana kay daddy?
Pareho, pero sige, mana kay mami na lang.
Jada, single or taken?
Single.
Oo. Kinikilig kapag?
Kinikilig kapag nakikita ko siya.
Naiinis ka kapag?
Naiinis ako kapag hindi ko makuha yung tamang notes pag kumakanta ako. Naiinis
Dong,
ako sa sarili ko.
guilty or not guilty? Ginugol ang sarili.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Takot sa wrinkles.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Nakipag-date sa isang fan noon.
Guilty.
Guilty, guilty or not guilty? Tinanggihan si Jessa.
Tinanggihan?
Yeah.
Ng ano? Not guilty. Not guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? In-stalk ang manliligaw ni Jada.
Not guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Jada, nangupit kay daddy.
Not guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Ginamit ang dress ni mommy.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Nakipag-date nang hindi nagpaalam kay mom and dad.
Guilty!
Hindi ko alam yan.
Guilty.
Hindi ko alam
Inabot
yan.
ng umaga sa ginikan.
Not guilty. Hindi
Guilty or not guilty? Nag-drunk call kay ex.
guilty.
Ding dong. Dong, lights on or lights off?
Both.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness.
Every time.
One question for each other. Ano yun? Ano ang nais niyong itanong sa isa't isa? Mamaya natin gagawin yon. And of course, we talk about Dong's concert sa pagbabalik po ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda.